সেনকো গোল্ড অ্যান্ড ডায়মন্ডস প্রেজেন্টস সোনা কথা কথা শোনা। আজকের এপিসোড কিন্তু ভীষণ স্পেশাল, অ্যাজ নববর্ষ ইজ জাস্ট অ্যারাউন্ড দ্য কর্নার। আজকে জমে উঠবে আড্ডা উইথ দ্য গান্ধী ফ্যামিলি, মানে আমাদের সকলের ভীষণ 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 পছন্দের গায়িকা, দি এভার গর্জিয়াস, এভার ট্যালেন্টেড Nikita Gandhi and her lovely parents, Dr. Nipa Gandhi and Dr. Udayveer Gandhi. So without any delay, let's begin the adda.
আমি ডক্টর নিপা গান্ধী।
And I'm Nikita's dad, Dr. Udayveer Gandhi.
Nikita she's also a dental surgeon, by the way. She's also Dr. Nikita Gandhi. She was a very brilliant student. ছোটবেলা থেকে all-rounder, La Martiniere junior all-rounder, senior all-rounder awards পেয়েছে. But she was very passionate about music and dance. And আমরা মানে ও ডেন্টিস্ট্রিও পড়েছে, বাট শি ওয়ান্টেড, হার প্যাশন ওয়াজ মিউজিক। ও বলেছে, মা আমার প্ল্যান বি আছে, প্ল্যানে আমি ডেন্টিস্ট্রি করছি, কিন্তু প্ল্যান বি যদি উঠে যায় ভালো হয় তাহলে আই উড লাইক টু পারসিউ মিউজিক। আই সেড ইটস ইয়োর লাইফ, ইউ ডু হোয়াটএভার। What I need her to be is a happy person, which she is. She loves doing what she's doing, creating music, everything. So that's what it is.
Yeah, the message for all the parents: let your children fly. Let them do what they wish to do.
Absolutely.
So they say when the hen has hatched the egg, the hen doesn't sit on top of that for long. It just moves away so that the chick can come out and fly. So that's what you must do. Baba Mader care thakbe, but you have to let them fly as soon as they're ready to, and let them do what they wish to do.
Yes.
I think
Happiness is
that's
the
what
number
is
one
important.
thing. They should be happy. She was a very obedient child also, and কখনো দুষ্টুমি সেইভাবে কখনো করতো না, কিন্তু আমার কেন, because everything was, like আমাদের জানি করতো।
You must tell them about the principle we followed. You will see the children when they go to a mall, when they go to a shop. Hey, Mama, I want this. Papa, I want this, and they are like next to the the window, and they're pestering. Some of them are lying down on the floor, tantrums. So this is where the policy was: the moment you say I want this, you will never get it. So we told her, if you behave like that, you never get it. So just don't say we know what has to be given to you, and we understand your feelings, so we will give you automatically. So she was always like that. She will never throw tantrums. She'll be a good girl, and she got everything.
Yeah, and as a result, যখন আমরা এখনো যদি আমরা কোথাও শপিং মলে যাই, আমরা সব we are very, মানে he is a very big shopper, but আমরা দুজনে খালি ব্যাগ নিয়ে চলে আসতে পারি, because we are not shoppers at all.
That's a different story altogether. Yeah,
And there's a secret.
tantrums, yes. She never threw tantrums of any kind.
No, she was a very good girl,
that's
very
great.
obedient girl. So we're both dental surgeons. So Uday, and we were also starting our life also. It's not that we were very well off and all. So we were starting our life. Nikita was in our life and all. So my role as a mother, I did to the full. Ami kokhono Nikita ke, I used to drop her to school. I used to pick her up from school, and my clinic was just next to her school, and I stayed on in that place. Because it was easier for me to pick her up and all. And আমি অনেক সময় আমি তো কিছু পেশেন্টস এখনো আমার যারা স্টেট ব্যাংকে ছিল তারা বলতো কি, ম্যাডাম মনে আছে আপনি মেয়েকে তুলতে যে চলে যেতেন স্কুলে, আমাদের চেয়ারে বসিয়ে কি আপনি বসুন আমি আসছি করে। I used to literally do that, and they still joke about it, and they are very happy that she's become such a popular girl. So that's very important, that of course I wanted to feel guilty that being a professional আমি সব ছেড়ে টেড়ে বাচ্চাকে দেখছি. So what I feel is quantity, the quality of whatever thing, quality is more important than quantity. So quantity of life আমি time দিচ্ছি, কিন্তু quality of time দিতে পারছি না. So I have always tried to focus and balance both my career and my child's upbringing.
So you can understand. There's a woman behind every success, and this is the woman behind the success. You can see I'm just there.
No.
I'm there as a support and encouraging, and of course the bread earner, as they say.
No, it's not that
yeah.
breadwinner. He's been always supporting, even in the family. He's like a father. Everything. He's a friend, father, everything. Barite jodi kichu kaj faj lage, even he's ready to. He's a very good cook and all. So it's not that, like you role of a woman and a role of a man. Esha kichu no. Jar jeta possible. We have always, three of us in fact have done it together.
And that's the key to the balance.
That's the key to the balance.
The balance,
Everybody has to do everybody's thing.
Shubha Navabarsha to
Shubha
everybody.
Navabarsha to everybody.
And you want to tell them something about your message?
Happy New Year to everybody for all over India. সবাই এক একটা বৈশাখী নববর্ষ কত রকম, it's a harvest season, so it's a wonderful time for the entire India. Festival time, eating time, happy time.
And I would like to add that ये सिर्फ हमारे देश के लिए नहीं, I would want to say this Shubha Navabarsha should be for the whole world. May there be peace. And let all this what's happening around the world, let Bengal always leads the way. So let us, we are leading the way to say, let peace prevail everywhere from this Navabarsha.
Absolutely. Duga duga.
You are 10 on 10 in everything. ছোটবেলা থেকে পড়াশোনা হোক, academics, look, nature, বাবা মার এত ভালো একটা বাচ্চা। Nikita Gandhi, you're 10 on 10 on everything. What's the secret? Please share
Oh
the
my
golden
God.
words.
I don't evaluate myself like that. But thanks, that's really sweet. I get very embarrassed when somebody compliments.
But you deserve all of it. I've never heard parents saying they never had any issue with the child.
I'm sure they did.
No.
They're just being nice for the camera.
I don't-
Sure.
I don't believe this because you're a very genuine person and so are your parents. So really would love to know that when you were growing up, what were the basic principles that you held on to, which you're still holding on to, which you think are, very important pillars of your foundation?
I mean, there are many things that my parents have inspired me to imbibe as a human being. Firstly, of course, it's how they are as people. I've obviously observed that all my life, and they're so hardworking, so helpful, so kind, so empathetic. There's so much empathy in both of them. My mom goes out of the way to help people, both my parents, and that's obviously something I've had the privilege to see all my life, and something that it makes me want to be a better person. And I think that's the beginning and end of pretty much every lesson in life, right? Because that's the most important thing, that you're you don't harm people and you help people and you do your thing, but you don't get in the way of others and help them if you can along the way.
Amazing. What a world-winning smile you have and a personality and a voice that captures everybody, enthralling. So you're from Kolkata, you live in Bombay and you travel the world with your music.
Yes.
But because you belong to Amader Shahor Kolkata, are there some things that you really miss when you don't come back to this city for some, a long time?
Of course. I mean, the good thing is that I frequently get to come to Calcutta, firstly because there are a lot of events that happen here. So my work brings me here most of the time, which is awesome because it's an excuse for me to be home, and I always end up extending a few days if I can and spend time with my parents and family friends. And there's usually there are few usual suspects in Kolkata. They do have that bharet cha and have certain family friends in their house Bangali food, and then going to Tolly Club and just doing Calcutta things. And I love traveling and doing my own thing, but I also love, it's kind of like earthing, like in science how you have earthing with electrical appliances. That's like earthing for me to come to Kolkata. And just get that little reset button now and then.
Ma baba ki bole dake?
I have too many nicknames actually. Like Nick is literally in my name. So my mom calls me Nixie baby.
Oh, yeah.
And my dad calls me Nitata. And I think there are more versions of these words. Everyone has a different nickname for me.
Or what do you call them?
Mom and dad. Sometimes I have, depends on the context.
Okay, and the
Sometimes
mood?
I call up my dad. I'm usually in a playful mood. So I'm like popsicle, and then that's how I address my dad. Because it's a
That was
funny
a
way-
popsicle.
popsicle. Yeah.
And mom?
And ma is usually ma. Like ma. It's usually because the conversations are like that with my parents.
You're looking absolutely fabulous in
Thank
this
you.
outfit that you're wearing. So this is a very interesting collaboration with you and Abhishek Datta, and especially both of y'all are from Kolkata and y'all are world names. So how does this feel, and how has this been for you?
So I met Abhishek a few years ago. We did a photo shoot together for a magazine, and that's how I was introduced to him. As a veteran designer, and but then he's so sweet and so kind, because I've met a lot of designers, and not everybody is as approachable
True.
as they seem. But he's genuinely very helpful. He would go out of his way and be like, if you need any help to shoot here or there, let me know. And he's always been by my side. And then, his aesthetics have always been very different from mine. So, whenever I've interacted with him, I literally treat his studio like my wardrobe. Like, I'll be like, oh, this is so cool, that is so cool, la 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 la. And then, then sometimes like, no, this is like, I'm not a skinny person, so I won't look nice. And so we have like conversations like this, which is really fun for me to have that kind of relationship with a designer, where I get to be so honest with my opinion, as well as, share commonalities. So, with these multiple interactions, we started brainstorming that, hey, why don't we do something together? Why don't we do something that's literally like a crossover of our worlds? And I wear a lot of athleisure and baggy pants and anti-fit, and so I think it's we kind of inspired each other. And the fact that we got to be friends and not just we have a very formal collaboration, so because he kept saying, I really want you to come to one of my events and sing in it or walk in it or whatever. I think this is cooler, right? Because it's more integrated.
True.
He's launching his athleisure collection, which I would like to say I'm the muse, maybe. I don't know.
And also you're the DJ's DJ.
I'm the DJ's DJ.
Oh my God.
Actually, when we met a few days back to do my trials, he was like, poor thing, like last minute getting all the clothes ready and stuff. And I also felt like, I don't know how to help. How can I help? Because I'm just singing and that's about it. So I was like, oh, okay, what music do you usually put? And he's like, I just usually make my own mix. I was like, okay, let me maybe give an input of mine. Maybe that's a way I can contribute. So we kind of just brainstormed, and I basically set listed the DJ is doing his job, and of course Abhishek is doing his. I'd like to just creatively pop in and out of this collection, I think.
Amazing.
But I do really enjoy. I've really enjoyed the process leading up to today, and I hope that it's like a new chapter for Abhishek as well with his.
Absolutely. And you having that empathy from the Gandhi family, I've always been somebody who would go out of the way to do something interesting and experimenting. You look like somebody who's never going to be in that format of A pore B ashbe. It can be A pore D ashte pare and Z ashte pare. You appear to be like that.
Yeah, I'm very hands-on. I brought my laptop today as well because we made so many changes. I was like, oh. And then there was a video. The videographer, he came and he was shooting something. He's like, Nana, tumi phone hai, shoot karo, because how will we edit it? I was like, don't worry, ye bhi hai. Sab ho jayega.
Oh, sab ho
Edit bhi
jayega.
kar denge. So it's fun for me also because these are all artistic fields.
Absolutely.
So it's really important for me to dabble in all kinds of arts.
Okay, because it's Noboborsho time, the
Yes.
Bengali New Year, and it's New Year across. So proti Noboborsho but New Year ashle. What are the things that you keep telling yourself?
Food.
It doesn't show though.
Please.
No.
But it's all tucked away in this corset. All the consumption of food.
Okay.
I mean, I think for me, there are so many associations. Of course, Noboborsho is one such phenomenon in a Bengali's life. But I think, in general, as a Calcutta girl, as a half Bengali, there are these so many cultural, sort of pillars and these pivotal moments throughout the year. Starts with like Shubha Noboborsho, and then we have this pujo and that pujo, and of course Durga Puja, and then it's like
Cholti
this
thakche.
cycle. And even in all religions, also in all different kinds of festivals, So I love that about Calcutta.
True.
In fact, I saw a reel recently, just because I said all religions, I saw a reel recently where they were documenting Nahom's Christmas cakes, where they said that like a Hindu girl is going to Nahom's, where probably a Muslim guy is baking the cake and celebrate, and everybody is celebrating Christmas, which is not even
True.
their festival. So this is a very core Calcutta
Very
thing.
core Calcutta thing, true.
And that's what I love about this city, to be honest. That is my top favorite thing. And I feel like every time we have Novoborsho, it sets the tone for the year, and then we all kind of come together in all festivals.
Right. A quick rapid fire. How do you maintain your positivity?
Oh, I like, that's a great question. I don't even have an answer. I think I just, for me, I think other people's emotion really matter to me, which is sometimes a bad thing, but most of the time a good thing. So that keeps me motivated to be positive, because I need everyone in the room to be positive. So I think that's what makes me exude happiness.
Okay. When Nikita is really angry, okay, what's her expression?
I get quiet.
Oh.
I get like that. And then everyone around me knows that she's really and my anger is crying basically.
Oh,
Crying
same
is
here.
the outlet
I can
of every
completely feel
emotion.
it.
Every emotion is like,
When I'm really angry, I cry the most.
because it starts with that, when I get really silent, and then my explosion is crying, because I don't know how else to
I can relate it so well. And when I look back at those moments, I really laugh at myself. In that moment, why did I cry? I should have shouted. I completely understand. Okay, you have traveled the world, you've met so many places. The concert that gave you goosebumps for the first time as an artist.
Ooh, one of the first concerts I did was there's this auditorium called Lady Andal, it's a school which has an auditorium in Chennai.
Okay.
That's where I did my college actually, and
Right.
started singing in films, first in Tamil for Rahman sir, and then various languages. So at that point I hadn't even sung anything. I think I was kind of in the singing a few backgroundy stuff, but I was invited for some fundraiser performance, and there were lots of A-listers performing before and after me, like people who were already huge artists in the South. And I remember I went and sang. Everyone had to do like one or two numbers, and I sang Teri Diwani combined with this song called Adiye, which is very big in the South. And it rained that day. Half the people didn't make it, but for me, it's one of my most memorable performances, because I remember a lot of people talking about that performance long after that event, and I was a nobody at that point. So they were like, "Oh, I remember your performance, and it was crazy, and this." And I remember going on stage barefoot, and it was something very real about that day, and I loved it because there was no clout. People weren't saying that to me because they love this song of mine or that, or they didn't come from any kind of partiality. It was just pure performance.
Right.
So that's till date. Obviously, that was one of my first performances.
Okay, some words of motivation that you usually use to inspire some friend who really needs it. Or maybe a song that
motivating
you-
people with words.
Or maybe a song that you relate to when you need that motivation, and maybe you send it across. Something that you pass
I'm
around.
really not that person who does this
Okay.
motivational speech for friends. Unless somebody comes to me with some serious problem, and then I'm all like shrink mode. But
What is the mode like, show?
Like shrink mode.
Oh.
I'm like, this is what suddenly I'm like giving gyan, and I don't even know why. And then I feel so awkward giving that gyan. Like
But you will be damn good at it. That's the reason I
yeah,
asked
I'm
you
good
this
at it.
question.
But then I wonder why I'm putting myself in that spot. But yeah, I think for me, I like to keep things light, because I feel like there are enough people to give gyan also. There's less people to just, be that jester in the room. And I love being the jester in the room.
I had this little opportunity and luck to have a little conversation with your parents. How great they are, I have no words. You know it the best. If you tell us what makes you, what makes them so special for you, because there are so many parenting types that we see around, especially with the digital world getting into kids' life so badly, and so many, distant relationships happening, etc. Your parents to you on this special episode, if you want to give them a message and talk a little bit about them, exactly what makes them who they are.
So awkward because they're like sitting right there. that's point number one. My parents are so supportive and so supportive and so hands-on. You know, like even though they're much older than me, they're always like, let me do this, let me get that. My dad is always like that, and he's so chivalrous, you know, and it's really, I'm so grateful to have a father figure like that, because, you know, because that sets the bar really high for men.
Very high.
Really, really high. But that's great. I love that bar is set really high. And it's the little things that they do that they don't ask for any kind of recognition, you know, for that. And I notice it, of course, everyone notices it. And there's no ego at all. There's no ego. They're just so real. And I love that about them. And I think that's the most beautiful example they've set in my life.
Cake.
I won't say more. I'm get on it.
No, please.
এত makeup করে।
কে একটু বেশি বকেছে বাবা না মা ছোটবেলায় একটু
You have to guess that. You just interacted with my parents.
It's very difficult. It's impossible actually.
I know you're very like fida on my mom.
Mom
But
and dad.
mom is the strict one.
Yeah, it
She was.
appeared.
I used to be scared of her when I was a kid.
But they are so good looking and they are so cool. Okay, I know the time's like really running out. A few quick rapid fire. One wish which is yet to be touched, but this year, maybe 2026, Nikita Gandhi is achieving it.
One wish that I really, really want, like I really want the music that I've written, the non-film music, to also be as loved and as heard and as celebrated as the film music, because you know they're both extensions of me, and I really want them both to be as celebrated. You know, that's something that I strive for this year, and I really hope that my music gets there.
Wonderful. One last message that we would like to take, a wellness message. How do people remain as happy and as glowing, as beautiful and positive as Nikita Gandhi, please?
You know, wellness and health is so interrelated with like your mental health, and you know how they say ignorance is bliss, and there's a reason for that, because I think your cortisol levels stay minimum when you are ignorant to all the drama around you. But it's so true, and I think that's what my parents have always kind of shielded me from things like that, and I think that's what's kept me very happy and positive most of the time. So yeah, I think it's so important for your mind to be at peace, because it's very interrelated. Like you will see it on your body if you're, you know, stressed out all the time. And I'm in an industry where there is a lot of adrenaline in my life. Every day I'm on stage, my body is chemically exuding adrenaline. There's a lot of stress because of travel and sleep cycles, and it's not just me, it's everybody has that in their life, because everyone is multitasking, everyone's, you know, hustling, and so it's so important to minimize the things that create inflammation in your body. The thing, like, I know even I am a victim of doom scrolling, but I think that anything that sucks you into screens is like, you need to, I mean, I'm telling myself this actually.
Even I'm hearing and I'm telling myself,
as I speak to a screen. But these are all things that, you know, are interrelated, and I feel that playing a sport is really important. That to me, I think, covers a lot of topics. Like you're not touching your phone, you're playing something, like being physically active, because I think also people correlate gymming. This is something my mom taught me. Sorry, I'm digressing a little bit, but she follows this thing called NEAT, which is, I forgot what it stands for, non-exercise active training or something like that, where basically you're not everything is like, it's not like you go to the gym and then you're active, and the rest of the day you're just like on the sofa or on the laptop, because then your body is accustomed to just chilling and being a couch potato. I think it's just being on your feet all the time. If you're a very active person, then your body stays young, your body stays active, and it stays, you know, in the best of its ability. And then that's a very important practice.
Right.
You play a sport, but you're active overall.
Yeah. So I think these are the golden words that I got from Nikita, and it's been such a great time having this conversation.
Same here.
But because it's you, and because it's Noboborsho, and because it's you, without music, if I end my adda, it will be very, very incomplete. Akta ganer du line. যে গানটা just দুটো লাইন, I know you are so busy, just দুটো লাইন যে গানটা গাইলেই you always feel happy, because I think it's about the choice of being happy, right?
Of
It's about the
course, yes.
intent first. So এমন একটা গান যেটা গাইলে শুনলে নিকিতা গান্ধী যে মুডেই থাকুক না কেন, she will sway.
I think one of my songs which instantly makes everyone like in a fun mood is जाना ना हो जहाँ वही जाता है दिल उल्लू का पट्टा है उलूले उलूले थोड़ी तकदीर क्यों आजमाता है दिल उल्लू का पट्टा है.
Thank you so much, Nikita. Wish you
Thank
only
you.
the best and the best and the best in the world. God bless. Thank you
Thank
so
you so
much.
much.
Thank you so much.
डिसीजंस में घंटों लगा देती हूँ. कुछ कहने से पहले ओवरथिंक करती हूँ. जोन आउट हो जाती हूँ कभी इन मीटिंग्स दैट शुड हैव बीन एन ईमेल. और फोमो तो है ही माय कांस्टेंट. एंड येट अडल्टिंग करती हूँ हर दिन. निकल जाती हूँ सोलो फॉर माई एडवेंचर्स. आई मेक टाइम फॉर माई गर्लीज टू. कभी आवाज उठाती हूँ फॉर वॉट मैटर्स तो कभी आई एम क्वाइटली देयर फॉर माई सेल्फ. नो मैटर वॉट मेरी जिंदगी मेरे हाथ में है. हजारों स्टनिंग बैंगल्स और साथ में अट्रैक्टिव ऑफर्स. सेंको गोल्ड एंड डायमंड्स प्रेजेंट्स बैंगल उत्सव.